Imagine standing in a vast open field at dawn, the sky painted in soft pastels. Before you, a giant balloon lies on the ground, its fabric rippling in the morning breeze. A sudden roar breaks the silence, the blast of an open flame shooting into the balloon's envelope. Slowly, the massive structure begins to rise, lifting itself like a waking giant. Soon, the basket beneath it will carry passengers high into the sky. But how does this incredible machine actually work? How does a simple balloon defy gravity and float effortlessly above the Earth? The secret lies in something all around us: air. Though invisible, air is made up of molecules with mass. And when heated, these molecules behave in a fascinating way. They move faster, spread apart, and become less dense than the cooler air around them. Just like steam rising from a cup of tea, warm air naturally floats upward. A hot air balloon takes advantage of this simple but powerful principle of physics. At the heart of the balloon is a burner, blasting flames into the envelope and heating the air inside. As the air warms, it expands, becoming lighter than the surrounding cooler air. This creates an upward force called buoyancy, which lifts the balloon into the sky. It's the same reason why a beach ball pushed underwater bobs back up. The lighter substance wants to rise above the heavier one. But what about control? A balloon doesn't just keep rising forever. The pilot carefully manages altitude by adjusting the burner. More heat makes the balloon rise higher. Letting the air cool causes it to sink. There's even a vent at the top of the balloon that can be opened to release hot air, allowing for a controlled descent. Unlike airplanes, hot air balloons don't have engines or steering wheels. Instead, they drift with the wind. However, skilled pilots can navigate by changing altitude, catching different wind currents that blow in slightly different directions. By skillfully riding these air streams, they can guide the balloon toward a desired landing area. As the journey comes to an end, the pilot gradually cools the air inside the envelope, allowing gravity to take over. The descent is slow and graceful, and as the basket nears the ground, passengers brace for a soft bump. With a final whisper of wind, the balloon settles gently on the earth. The air inside cools completely, and the once mighty structure deflates, folding in on itself like a sleeping giant, until the next adventure begins. The science behind hot air balloons is both simple and beautiful. It's a perfect demonstration of the power of warm air rising, the magic of buoyancy, and the delicate balance of nature and physics working together. The next time you see a hot air balloon floating peacefully in the sky, you'll know it's not just a breathtaking sight, it's science in action. So, would you ever ride in a hot air balloon? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, check out our video on how airplanes stay in the air to explore even more wonders of flight.